It is really lovely. Mine is too small. Oh, I guess we're going. Okay, so we made it to one of the observation decks here from Mount Fuji. So we're gonna go ahead. I really pushed the battery so much. It is really lovely, nice outside. But if there's anything else that we might do, we'll go ahead and include it in this video depending how long it might be. So I'm just gonna go ahead downstairs, do some extra shopping, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so we made it to one of the stops, checkpoint 1, but we can't make it any further because the rest of the checkpoints are blocked off due to the snow that happened yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead, just drop on the bus again to a park. What park are we going to? Yeah.
You can say that we're going to park.
Yeah, we're gonna go to some park, but we don't know what. So keep you updated. Okay, we made it here to, I forgot the name of the park again, but we're here at the park. We're gonna be here for 45 minutes roughly before we head to our hotel and see what we want to do.
Yeah.
Of course, we're here doing our own photo shoot. Mount Fuji's in the back, enjoying it, loving it. We'll just enjoy the parts that we have going up.
Let me see.
Don't fall. Because that's a long fall for her. Alright, anything else, Brandon?
I don't know. You know what?
We can feel the spirits.
We'll just end it right there. As you can see at how the hotel looked, very nice. This room is so much bigger. Thank God they didn't put 2 beds. The first room could have been a lot larger. Finally figured out how to use this AC. Thank you, Google Translate. But now we're gonna go ahead, relax, chill out. We all have dinner together in an hour from now. So see you guys in a bit. All right.
I'm wearing it.
I'm surprised.
They're in there.
What are they called?
But mine is too small.
Dude, that's like...
It is like...
You should want one on top of the other. Just like
have it reversed.
put one on one.
It's too small for me. Yes. Okay, so they give me a new one. It's the biggest size. My legs a bit ashy though. I think we're gonna take a group photo of all 4 of us up there, up the steps, and then enjoy our dinner. So it's fun. We're doing a tour, of course, if you haven't noticed yet. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a group photo of all 4 of us.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Okay, we're about to have our dinner. I'm surprised everyone went through with this.
No one wanted to be the one that
that didn't do it.
Everybody did it, right?
Whoever didn't do it.
Wow.
Walked outside. I was like, okay.
I know. We were like, damn, might as well.
The key? The other key?
The key. Alright, 604 or 2. You got it.
I'm exposed.
Are you going to
Exposed.
Brandon.
Oh, I guess we're going. Hello everyone. We had a fun talk downstairs. We're getting ready for bed. Watching game shows. Don't know what's going on. But we have something funny coming up. I'm gonna show this really quick. If you didn't see what that was, you can pause the video, but they should be coming here any moment now. I forgot I don't have my watch.
So, Jorge's forcing us to do some face masks because
Because when in Japan,
you guys want to see what this is like.
I hate you.
It's just a face
This is
mask,
so like.
which I hate with the frick passion.
did you hit your head on the wall?
Oh God! Oh, I'm ripping it.
Stop laughing. What are you laughing at? God, your cheeks are so big and it looks so perfect.
Oh my God!
Oh my god, Chipotle.
Oh, Jorge's is cool.
Oh my god, his beard.
Wait, is this? Let's go.
Oh my god, it fits so perfectly on your face.
Yeah, it does. What the hell? Brandon,
Yes.
I didn't like it.
It feels slimy and it's disgusting.
You just said it felt good.
Why would I say that?
It's because he's on camera now. That's why.
He's ashamed.
No.
Yeah, you're right. There's no word for Hi.
Hello.
Oh my god, your eyes. Hi.
Day. That's a good.
Ew. Hi.
What is it?
Oh yeah, not the
Oh my god.
Hey, why do I have a beard though?
That's
You
not
don't
a
have
beard.
it. You have sideburns.
You do have sideburns.
Secret time?
Secret time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just for the video.
This for the video?
Okay, so do you want to start it off or should I start it off?
You should start it off.
Okay, so we were at Disney Sea, going to Disney Sea, right? And you know how you guys wanted to go to the bathroom, right? While Brandon was in the bathroom, I was hiding. So I hid behind this stall and I heard the bathroom door open, thinking it was Brandon. So, to my surprise, when this guy doesn't show out, I scared some random guy, and he was like, it's got in my mouth.
Oh, wait, so that's not what he did?
I
Jesus!
thought that's what the guy did. I was like, wait, that's not how it happened.
So he got out and I scared him. He was like, no! I was like, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. And he was like, oh no. I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, okay. And and he started laughing. So he stayed washing his hands. And then he waited for Brandon to come out. And then when Brandon came out, I was able to scare him. And then we all laughed together. And then we were so like...
No, he laughed.
Bro, your mask is falling off. Keep going.
And the guy started laughing. But I heard everything happen. Like I was thinking of right? In the stall. And then I hear like and then I hear like a guy go like, and I'm like, what the hell? happening out there? But I completely like forgot about it. Like I didn't think much of it. I just remember like commotion happening outside. And I come out and he scares me. And I'm like, oh shit. And I see the guy in the corner. And I'm like, Jorge, you scared this man? He's like,
He's gonna be in a coma.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
No, bro. I'm gonna be sleeping at day and then like at 2 in the morning I'll be like, so where's the people?
Where's the ramen?
And walk around,
Outside.
heat up your Maruchan like this. It's not the same. I was like, it's not
We
the
have to
same.
try a different ramen, please.
I know, to compare it
Is
to.
this falling apart?
But what if it's bad? And I'm like, you should've.
You know you're not supposed to wash it away, by the way. You have to leave it on.
Wait,
How do you
what?
know some Japanese?
That's how every mask is.
But it's
Oh, for real? So, you just have to let it dry your face?
I'm showering.
That's to marinate
This is
in
garbage.
your
This-
skin.
This entire time,
Garbage.
I would just keep it on,
You can wash it away.
and then like, whatever, and then just rinse. I
They even
mean,
tell you to put it on your shoulder, on your neck and in your arms. To
What?
nourish your skin. Yeah. And it's very effective when you leave it on. Trust me, I've like tested it out. Like I'll sleep with it like on, and then the next morning my skin feels so like super soft or like whatever it says that like the mask does. Like it brightens or nourishes it. Or
makeup sensor.
yeah. So do not wash it off.
It's so weird how natural that looks on you. Like, it just,
It's-
dude, for real.
because
Random, yours just keeps on sliding
I
off.
know.
Please bring your
luggage.
suitcase before breakfast. Oh, okay. I'm not eating breakfast.
No, yeah, I think I might skip it too. Because that's freaking early.
Yes. Oh, what the?
This kept on playing on the train. I kept on trying to show you guys.
On the train?
Yeah, and then he walks down the bridge.
Whipping
Look.
his hair.
Yeah, whipping his hair. Oh, yeah, you see him just like that.
It's Jiraiya, babe.
It is Master Jiraiya. Whoa, he looks freaking creepy, like one of the Joker clowns. Yeah.
It's raining outside.
Is it really? How
According
do you
to
know?
Pokemon,
Oh.
It's
Get the I was like, you went outside? You checked the weather?
no, literally. Like this is supposed to be accurate with the weather, so it's raining outside.
Pokemon.
Oh,
Alright, everyone. We're gonna go ahead and go to sleep. We got to go to Kyoto tomorrow morning. So please leave a like, share, subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day. Don't forget to be awesome. Share the love. And we'll see you next time. So until next video, keep exploring. Bye.